Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off a big truck from Wheaton Honda.
A 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71 Redline Edition. That means this big truck comes with the Z71 Off-Road Package and all the cosmetic upgrades of the Redline Series, like black Silverado emblems with red outline, black bowtie emblems, a black grille, black accents, and red tow hooks. As you've probably noticed, this thing's been lifted. It's got a 6-inch BDS lift kit, along with off-road assist steps, off-road tires, and a spray-in bedliner. The 6.2-liter V8 engine provides a hefty 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, which is controlled by an 8-speed automatic transmission. Tough on the outside, comfortable on the inside. It has a leather interior with heated and cooled front seats, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, dual-zone climate control, a power sliding rear window, and even power adjustable pedals. It also comes with keyless entry, a remote starter, and heated power folding mirrors. The infotainment center has navigation, Bluetooth, and satellite radio. Plus, there's wireless charging for your phone and a backup camera with sensors.
Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.